In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to review and verify the answers provided by the Gemini app. Whether it's for study, work, or just curiosity, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Start by opening the Gemini app on your device and logging into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, locate the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Enter the question or topic you're interested in. For example, let's type in the price of the Samsung S24. After entering your query, hit the search button. The Gemini app will generate a detailed answer based on its internet search. In this example, to ensure the answer's accuracy, scroll down below the response and tap on the Google icon. The app will analyze your query further and present highlights to help you assess the reliability of the answer. A green highlight indicates the information is correct, verified, or complete. An orange highlight suggests there's a warning or potential issue, meaning the answer might not be fully accurate. No highlight indicates that the answer could be incomplete or incorrect. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more app tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.